Hello everyone. So today we will learn the operators in a Python. Okay, how many types of operators in a Python? Because of the lots of languages having different types of operators. In a Python also having the bunch of operators. So let's say operators, arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, identity operators, operators, bitwise operators. These types of operators having the Python. So let's see the arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators having the addition, subtractions, multiplication, division, modulus, exponentiations, floor division. These kind of operators having the arithmetic operators in a Python. Next we will see assignment operators. In these assignment operators having the is equal to, plus is equal to, minus is equal to, $x is equal to, divide x is equal to, percentage is equal to, and floor division is equal to. This is the assignment operators. Next we will see comparison operators. Equal, not equal. This is the signatures in right hand side you are seeing. Okay, greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to. This is mostly we are using in if conditions. Next, logical operators like or and. In this case, x less than 5 and x less than 10. This condition will be true. It can means it will be the logical operators mentioned here. That's why and or. In second case, or x less than 5 or x less than 4. It means not necessary both condition need to be true. Either x less than 5 is need to true or x less than 4 need to true. Both no. In a AND condition need both conditions are true, then only going to the if condition, not other than it's going the else part. So we will check in next. Identity operators is not. We will see this part in a practical way because this is the object, like if it is a similar objects matches, then it will the work with the is. If it is not matches, then it will the work is not. Like that way we will explain this while doing the practice in a coding. Similar way, membership also, in or not in. This is the one slice or list we having, that list having the y values and x is our string. If that string that list having the string, then it will be the true, otherwise it going to the false. He in is checking in a list having that string or not. If yes, then yes, then no, no. Similar way, not in. Suppose we are having one list. In that list we are checking that string is having or not. If having, then it will be the showing false result. If not having, then it will be the showing the true result, because of the we want not in. That's why. Next, we will look on the bitwise. In bitwise operators having the and or, like signatures, or we can call as keywords for that. This is the we can check in a practical way for the more understanding. So going next, let's start coding. Okay, so let's start with the arithmetic operators. We can take a 1, a is equals to 5, b is equals to 2, and we can print and a plus b, it means addition. Okay, addition operator we are taking here, and we can type here like pthon main.go, and like this 7. This is the arithmetic operator. Addition, we can use subtractions like minus key and check. Yeah, it's minus. So similar way we can use the multiplication here, and we can run again. It's 10, 5 into 2, 10. We can do the division, is like answer is 2. We can take a like modulus, so we can check the answer is 1. Yeah, we can take a floor division and check. Yeah, answer is 2. This is the our arithmetic operators. So next we will check the assignment operators. So I will drop this, and we can take here a is equals to 5. Okay, I will take here a is equal to 5, and we can do like a plus 2, a plus is equal to 2, and print this one, print like a. So what is the answer? I think you are very smart boys. So answer will be the 7. You are right. Answer will be the 7. This is addition. Okay, we are doing with the help of assignment operators, right? So I will do here minus, subtraction we can do, like answer will be the 3. We can similar way do the multiplications. Here multiplication is 10. Again we can do the division also. Division, we can do the modulus 1, floor division, and check. Yeah, it's so. Then as assignment operators also working good in this way. So we can do the again new practicals like comparison operators. So we are having the 1 is a is equals to 5 or 4. We can take 4, and b is equals to 5. So we can print this one, print, and we can check a is equals to double equals to b. So answer will be the what? False, right? False, because both are not similar. Suppose I will do here 5, then it will be the similar. So let's it's happened true. Similar way we can do here like is not equal to. Okay, is not equal to, we will taken. So we will try here pthon main. Yeah, it's true, because it is not equal to same. That's why we can give the 5 again here, then it is the same, but we are taking the not equal to, so it's false coming, right? Again we are taking some different way like less than. So here 4, answer will be the true. Yeah, you are right guys. No, false, because a is having the 4 and 5 is having the 5, and this symbol is greater than. That's why answer is false. If we can take a less than, then answer will be the true, right? And we can take here like greater than is equals to. Oh, first of all I will show you here one thing. Suppose I will type here 5 and 5, then it will be the answer will be false. Okay, if I do the exact a is greater than is equal to exact answer, then it will be the coming true. It is greater than either is equal to. That's why we are taking greater than is equal to. If we are taking here like less than or is equal to, then answer will be the true. Now answer will be the true. If we are changing here like 4, and we can check, answer will be the false, because it will be the not exact. That's the reason, right? Suppose we can take the less than, that also answer will be the 5, false. So we can take here 4, again answer will be the false only. If we are taking here is equal to exact, less than or exact, then answer will be the true. Got it? This is the our comparison operators. So next we will learn the logical operators. Okay, what is the logical operators? We are having the and or. Okay, we having the and or for the logical operators. Like we will take one example like print. We can, before that we can type here x is equals to 5, and we can print like x is better understanding this, x is equals to 5, and so x is equal to 5 and x is less than 10. What will be the answer? Because x is equal to 5, this condition is true, and they want this condition also true, then x is less than 10, it will means answer will be the true, because both our condition is true. That's why. Suppose we are taking here 4, 5 less than 4, oh, it's false, right? That's why its condition is not true. So we will check false answer. Again we can take here or operator, or, so this either this condition will be the true or this condition need to be true, not both needed at least one condition to true, and here is the, in this case one condition is true, this one, x is equal to 5. So let's see, python main.py and true, because of the this condition is true. Suppose I will change here like 3, both our condition is not true, at least need to one condition will be true. So I will take here 6, then it will be the true condition, right? So we can type here python main, and yes, true, because second condition is true, that's why it's coming true. So we can check the next identical operator like this, is and not is we are taking. Suppose we are having the a is equals to list, we are taking ram and om. Okay, and similar way I will just copy this one and paste it out here and type here like b. Okay, so we will take here like print a is b. Maybe answer is false, need to be checked, because both values are same, but it's not true. Yeah, answer will be the false, because both value are same, but it's not true. We are taking here one more variable, c is equal to a. Now we can compare like a is equal is c or not. So true, because this object, a object, is totally matched with the c object, but in second case a object is totally not matched with the b object. Values are same but object is not matched. That's the reason they are giving us false result. We can check again. Yeah, it's giving us the false result. Either than we can check here is not, right, is not. So in this case, first will be the false and second will be the true condition, right, because of the opposite its work. They are checking is not, yeah, is not, then only they are giving us the true answer, otherwise false. That's why. So this will be the our identical operators. So next we will check the membership operators using the in condition. Like we are taking one variable a and we type one list again here, Ram and Om. Okay, and we are checking here like print Om in A or not. Please give me the suggestions. Here is the answer will be the true. Yeah, because of the this there he checking in is checking the in this list having Om or not. If yes, then please give me the true, otherwise false. In, not in, we can check here, not in. Not in is checking like Om is there or not. They don't wanted in a list Om word. Okay, so here is answer will be the false because they are having the Om in this list. Suppose I will change with the Raj, then answer will be the true is coming like this way because they wants the false answer like Raj is not added in a list. That's why. So here is the we will learn the multiple operators. In that, if you have any doubt, any queries, so mention below in a comment. Okay, and keep enjoying, keep doing fun with the Python and me. So we will meet in the next videos. Thanks for watching.